Today we're at downtown Disney here in Disneyland. We're gonna grab a snack, maybe hop a ride on the tram. It's a beautiful 60-degree day, so we're just gonna enjoy the weather, enjoy downtown Disney for being downtown Disney. Let's go do this. Even if it's just downtown Disney today, I'm just so excited to be back here. You know, you got World of Disney, you got Starbucks. I definitely prefer Disneyland over, you know, Disney World. I know I'm gonna get a lot of hate for saying that, but just it's Disneyland. There's something about Disneyland, you know. It's the original park that, you know, Walt Disney designed himself. He walked these streets. Well, maybe not this literal street, but you know, the streets of Disneyland, and it's just there's just something special about it. I just enjoy being here so much. I do ask for your patience throughout this video. I got 3 hours of sleep. Just got off of a 6-hour plane ride with a bunch of screaming, crying babies the whole time. So now that I'm finally here, I am not only tired, but I'm happy to be here. So I'm, you know, overly stimulated and half awake. Well, going into the parks today might not be an option. We are able to just walk around Land, enjoy the music, enjoy the views of the Disneyland and the Disney California Adventure front gate, because why not? We can! Disney California Adventure to the right, Disneyland to the left. By far the best park combo. I mean, they're directly next to each other. You buy a hopper pass, they're practically 2 parks in one. It's basically how they designed it, which is insane because it creates literally the best theme park ever conceived. Well, I figured, why not look? Maybe I could sneak into Disneyland. Unfortunately, Disneyland is at capacity today, so that is not possible, but I can enjoy it from a distance. If we are to have one objective for this Downtown Disney vlog, it would be get a magic band. I actually lost my Cheshire Cat magic band when I was in Disney World. I bought it in Disney World, and then I lost it in Disney World. So, you know, don't make fun of me, but I need a new magic band, okay? I remember being 9 years old and checking into the Contemporary Resort when magic bands first came out, thinking, man, I don't want a boring gray one. Gray ones are boring. I want one of the colorful ones. And here I am, you know, 7 years later, 8 years later, buying a gray magic band. If I lose this one, it will have been the 3rd magic band that I have lost. I can't do that. Why do I lose magic bands? I don't know why I lose magic bands, but I can't lose another one. I can't lose another expensive one, so we're just gonna buy this one. Coming to Disneyland just a couple weeks after being at Disney World, I feel like they have a much bigger selection of 100 Years of Wonder merch, which, I mean, is expected. They've had more time to add to the merchandise areas, but not really super excited about spending all my money on the first day at Disneyland, so I'm just gonna buy the magic band. Just buy the magic band. You're gonna find something in I don't know, Galaxy's Edge or somewhere and spend $5,000, so just buy the magic band, Jackson. You know it's a problem when I'm talking to myself in 3rd person in public in front of hundreds of other people. I have retrieved my magic band, and now we're gonna go hop on the tram. It has sort of become first day at Disneyland tradition to come to downtown Disney and then hop on the tram. I saw the tip of Splash Mountain. This is going to be a very sad final time on Splash Mountain these next couple days. I'm going to try to ride it as many times as I can while still enjoying the rest of the park. It's funny, I always do this. I go on the tram, and, you know, there's no intention of you immediately going back to downtown Disney, but that's what I do.
Please remain seated with the doors closed until the tram comes to a full stop.
I'd say snack number 1, as I mentioned earlier, running on 3 hours of sleep, will totally stop and get a Starbucks coffee. An iced vanilla latte at what's technically 7 p.m. my time.
Tomorrow's just a dream away. Man has a dream and that's the start. He follows his dream with mind and heart. And when it becomes a reality, it's a dream come true for you and me.
We're gonna make our way to the end of downtown Disney. Not because we're ending our day off. Well, we are technically ending our day off, but because we're going to grab another treat at the Disneyland Hotel. I got a Dole Whip. I wanted to wait for you guys. But oh. Well, thanks for joining me on my little downtown Disney day. I enjoyed getting my Dole Whip, my coffee, and my magic band. Happy I finally got one back after losing my other one. So, thanks for tagging along. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching to the end.